Hello everyone. So today we are going to do these IPCs which you are seeing on your screen. In the last video we had done a lot of approximately around 10 IPCs along with their mnemonics. So from the last video, do you remember what is 82 IPC? What is 89 IPC? If you watched that video, you must be knowing this. So write down in the comment box and let me know the answer to these two IPCs. Now coming to today's session. So these are the number of IPCs we will discuss today. So I'll quickly let you go through the images just for association, and after that we will come back to this page and check out all the IPCs and see if we can remember it. So let's go. So I have segregated it along to there because they are in a sequence and it's easier to remember this way. Okay, so the first is this section we are going to see. Right, now you must be remembering this man, the very famous Chacha. Okay, so let us write down first 44, 45, 46 and 51. So these are the four IPCs which was written here. So just remember, this is a Chacha, right? So Chacha is rhyming with char and char, so it's 44. So now you know this sequence of 4 IPCs is starting with 44, right? Now in that series, what was the man telling to this Chacha? To turn on the radio or to dance, I think. I don't remember. So here this man, this Chacha, is being told to give his heart. Means इससे बोल रहा है चाचा मुझे दिल दो. Okay, so it's dil and do. Okay, now omitting the first word, write in the sequence. What did you get? I L D O. Now what does it mean? I means injury. So section 44 IPC is the section which denotes injury. Okay, then coming to 45, L for life. It is the section which denotes the section on life. Then 46, D for death. So this denotes the section on death. Now what is 51? O for oath. So 51 denotes the section on oath. Now there might be confusion that if you start from 44, now you can easily remember with this image, this is 44. So 44, 45, 46, why not 47? But you see, this ILD, injury, life and death, are almost similar things, means they are relatable. And then this oath, completely different, so it is not in a sequence, it is with a gap. So 44, 45, 46, 51. 44 चाचा को बोल रहा है दिल देने के लिए, so दिल दो, omit the first word and then this is the sequence 44, 45, 46, 51, right? Now the next one, what do you see here? This is a leg, very tiring. You can see all these cracks and the very dull looking. So suppose this lady, this is a typical village lady and she travels a lot. So she had traveled 53 kilometers by his legs. Means if we say in Hindi, उसने 53 किलोमीटर पैदल चला, सो इट्स पैदल. ओके, so even if you say पैदल, the three which are more dominant are पैदल. Okay, PDL, and then write in sequence 53, 54, 55. तो उसने 53 किलोमीटर चला एंड 55 तक जाके रुक गई. सो दैट्स हाउ यू कैन रिमेंबर. सो 53 is the section for punishment, P for punishment. 54 is the section which denote the commutation of a death sentence, right? Means his death sentence can be commuted, maybe to life imprisonment or some other thing, but the main thing is this death sentence is being commuted. Then 55 for L, for life imprisonment. So this is the section which denote the commutation of a life imprisonment. So 53 to 55, P T L. This is punishment, death sentence, and this is life imprisonment. Clear? Now the next one. What is this? The enlightenment tree. So if you remember, the Buddha gained enlightenment under this Bodhi tree. So there is a tree which is very heavenly, as you can see from this picture, which is very heavenly, and when you get under this tree you will gain enlightenment. So what is this? This is 307, because it is a heavenly tree. So 3. Now I am using this number system in all of this IPC trick because that's the only way you can remember. So this 3 is for tree, this 7 is for heaven. You must have read in about this number system. You relate a number with the rhyming word and then you make a story out of it. So 3 is tree, 7 is heaven. So this tree which you are seeing is very heavenly. So when you sit under this tree which is heavenly, what do you get? You get too excited, like you went somewhere, you saw this tree which is very heavenly, you got all excited, and when you get all excited, saliva drools out, or you can say the mucus drools out, right? So mucus drools out. Now what is this? So we had started with 307, so 307, 308 and 309, these are in the sequence, and for this we wrote down mucus, right? So what is 307? It is attempt. Now you know, for murder what is the IPC? 300. Okay, 300 IPC for murder. So 307 is attempt to murder, it's not murder. All these three are for attempt, because when you go under this tree you attempt to gain enlightenment, you attempt to go under that tree, so you're basically attempting. So mucus, M for murder, so attempt to murder is 307 IPC. 308 is attempt to commit culpable homicide, so culpable homicide, and S is attempt to commit suicide. Clear? Then coming to the next one. Now what is this? You all must be knowing this. This is the famous Vishal Tyagi. So what we are doing here, you know, this 300 IPC is for murder. I told you here also. So this is Vishal Tyagi, and Vishal Tyagi committed a lot of murders. So he committed 300 murders. So 300 is for murder. Okay, this Vishal Tyagi is just for reference. Let's get back to this trick. So 300 is for murder, right? So what will be just one IPC back of it? 299 for culpable homicide, right? 300 is murder and 299 is culpable homicide. Now the punishment 302 and 304. So it's like this Vishal Tyagi committed murder, 300 murders, and then he's telling मैंने मर्डर किया है तो मुझे सजा दो. Okay, so 302, 2 here is 2, तो 300 murders किया and then he said मुझे सजा दो. So it's 302 for punishment for murder. Okay, punishment for murder. And 304 is then what is left? Culpable homicide. So punishment for culpable homicide, right? There's always this confusion between 302 and 304. Even I had the same confusion. So now you can remember 302 means he's saying मुझे सजा दो because मैंने murder किया है. So 302 is for murder and 304 is for culpable homicide punishment. These two are the punishment, these two are the definition, right? So this completes our list. Now this is the whole list which I discussed right now. So what was 44 IPC? Do you remember? Char char, what for chacha? And what he is being told to do? Dil do. We omitted the dil. So what is remaining is, we omitted this. So it's injury, life, death and oath. Then 53, 54, 55, we talked about the village woman who was traveling padal. So padal, PDL means punishment, commutation of death sentence, commutation of life imprisonment. Then we talked about 307, 308 and 309. What we told, this tree and this is heaven. So a tree which is very heaven and you are attempting to go and attain enlightenment. So that's when your mucus comes down, you get overexcited. So it's for murder, this is for culpable homicide, and this is for suicide. So all these three are attempt. Then we talked about 302 Vishal Tyagi 300 murders. Then मुझे punishment दो 302. Then 299 was for culpable homicide because 300 is for murder, so 299 will be for culpable homicide, and 304 is the punishment for that culpable homicide. So we'll discuss all of these. There are many more remaining and I'll talk about them in the coming videos. Do let me know in the comments if you found this way of learning helpful, so I can modify my method, and if there are any suggestions you want to give regarding these videos and tricks, do let me know. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and all the best.